How people are making thousands with Notion templates, faceless and passive. Before we start this video, just a quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice. It's for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. They don't have YouTube channels. They don't show their face. They don't spend hours cold emailing clients or managing dropshipping stores. But they're quietly making thousands of dollars just by selling digital templates on a free app called Notion. And here's the wild part. Most of them built the product once and never touched it again. It runs on autopilot. In this video, you're going to learn exactly how they're doing it, step by step. Even if you've never touched Notion in your life, even if you think you're not creative, even if you're starting with $0, because this strategy doesn't require a team, a big social media following, or even a website. What it does require is knowing what works. Let's break it down. If you're not familiar with Notion, it's basically the Lego set of productivity tools. Think of it like a blank digital canvas that people use to organize their life, plan projects, track habits, manage businesses, write content, store goals, systems, recipes, literally anything. It's flexible, beautiful, and incredibly popular, especially with students, creators, entrepreneurs, and remote workers. But here's the important part. Most people don't want to build their Notion systems from scratch. They want a shortcut, and that's where you come in. You can create ready-made Notion templates that solve a specific problem, save people time, help them feel more organized or productive. And once you do that, you can sell that template again and again, with zero shipping, no inventory, and no customer support. Welcome to the digital product loop. Let's look at some numbers. Notion has over 30 million users. Searches for Notion template have grown over 500% in the past 2 years. Some top-selling templates bring in $10,000 to $40,000 per month, even with no paid ads. So, who's buying? Let's break it down. Students want study planners, semester dashboards, GPA trackers. Entrepreneurs want content calendars, CRM systems, client onboarding checklists. Creators want sponsorship trackers, video planning boards, content repurposing tools. Everyday users want budgeting tools, daily planners, meal prep trackers. In short, people are looking for structure. They want to skip the blank page. And if your template saves them 3 to 5 hours of setup, it's instantly valuable. Here's the best part. You don't need to be a productivity guru to create a killer Notion template. You just need to solve a specific problem for a specific type of person. Here's how most faceless creators build their first product. Step 1. Pick a problem people already pay to solve. Example. Ideas. I want to organize my finances. Budgeting dashboard. I want to post more consistently. Content calendar. I want to stay on track with my goals. Habit tracker and vision board. Look for problems with emotional weight, anxiety, overwhelm, confusion. Step 2. Build the solution in Notion or remix an existing one. Open a free Notion account. Use the drag and drop blocks to create pages, checklists, toggles, calendars. You can even study top-selling templates and remix ideas ethically. Pro tip: minimal is better. Clean, simple templates actually sell more. Step 3. Test it yourself or give it to a few friends. If it works for you, it'll probably work for others. Once your template is ready, it's time to start selling, even if you don't have a website or audience. Here are the platforms creators are using. 1. Gumroad. No monthly fee. Dead simple to use. Lets you offer freebies, discounts, bundles. You can host multiple templates, build an email list, and track sales. 2. Etsy. Massive built-in traffic. Great for budget planners, self-care dashboards, life organization tools. Use SEO, keywords like Student Notion Planner or Small Business Notion CRM. Notion marketplaces are a great way to get your templates in front of a larger audience. Sites like Notion Everything and Notion Store aggregate paid templates, making it easier for users to find what they need. Some of these sites charge a percentage or a one-time fee to list your templates. Here's a pro tip. Offer a free mini version of your template to grow your email list or Gumroad followers. This can help you build a community and drive more sales in the long run. You might be wondering, but if I don't have followers, how do I get sales? Well, this is where faceless creators get clever. One effective strategy is to optimize for search engines. Option 1 is SEO. Use titles like Notion Student Planner PDF or Etsy Notion Template for content creators. Both Etsy and Gumroad are searchable platforms, so keywords really matter. Make sure your description clearly states who it's for and what problem it solves. This can significantly increase your chances of being discovered by potential customers. Option 2, Pinterest. Templates do great on Pinterest. You can use Canva to create pins showing what your template looks like. Link directly to your Gumroad or Etsy page. Option 3, Faceless TikToks and Reels. Show your template in action with screen recordings. Add text overlays like, "This Notion planner saved my GPA," or "I finally organized my biz in one day." Use trending sounds and relevant hashtags. And of course, you can stay 100% anonymous the whole time. Notion templates sell anywhere from $5 to $99, depending on how niche the product is, how much time it saves, and whether it's part of a bundle. Let's look at a few examples from public Gumroad stores. Here are some real examples of top-performing Notion templates. A content calendar priced at $12 has sold over 3,200 copies. A digital budget tracker at $9 reached more than 4,000 sales. A Freelancer CRM priced at $25 brought in over 2,100 purchases. And a student planner at just $7 sold more than 5,000 times. These are all simple digital files, built once, sold endlessly. That's tens of thousands of dollars from a product they built once. And since Notion templates have zero overhead, it's almost all profit. Once you've sold your first template, it doesn't stop there. Here's how creators scale. Create multiple templates for different people, students, creators, freelancers. Bundle products and sell as collections, like an ultimate creator dashboard pack. Add upsells like bonus checklists, guides, or private Notion training. Start an email list to launch new products to past buyers. License templates to companies or influencers who want a branded version. This is how faceless creators quietly build five-figure digital shops with just a few products and a simple system. What if I'm not good at Notion? Start with free YouTube tutorials. You'll get it fast. The barrier to entry is low. What if someone copies my template? They might, but it's not the template. It's the positioning, the niche, and your system. Do I need a logo or brand? Nope. Just clean, consistent listings and product images. How do I avoid refunds or bad reviews? Give clear instructions, over-deliver with bonus items, and test before you publish. Alright, let's dive into example 1, the ultimate student dashboard. This template, priced at $7 on Etsy, includes a semester calendar, a GPA calculator, and timers. The result? Over 5,000 sales. The lesson here is pretty clear. Combining aesthetics with time-saving features can make your template go viral. Moving on to example 2, the Freelancer OS. This template offers a CRM, invoice tracking, and client tasks management. It was promoted via Pinterest and achieved over $20,000 in sales. The takeaway? High-value, business-oriented templates can command better pricing. Finally, let's look at example 3, the small business bundle. This package includes a business plan and an income tracker, and it uses a pay-what-you-want model. The result? More than 8,000 downloads. The lesson here is to leverage bundles and pricing psychology to maximize your reach and impact. Reuse your template with different labels. One dashboard can serve 3 niches. Just change the title and tweak the copy slightly to target students, creators, or freelancers. Bundle your existing templates. You can sell individual files for $9, bundle 3 for $21, or offer a vault for $39. No new work is needed, just more value stacking. Soft build your email list by giving away a mini version. Capture email addresses and then promote future templates, tools, or even affiliate products like Canva or ConvertKit. Okay, so here are the steps to get started. First, create a free Notion account. Then choose one niche and one small problem to solve. Next, build a clean, functional template. After that, list it on Gumroad or Etsy. Create a simple visual pin or screen recording. Upload, share, repeat. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like it. Share it with someone who needs a digital side hustle. And of course, subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. And remember, you don't need permission to start, you just need a plan. This video was for entertainment and educational purposes only. It's not financial advice. Always do your own research before starting any business.